Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Tailscale subnet router for server network access, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize a Tailscale subnet router for server network access, begin by logging into your Tailscale admin console. Navigate to the Machines tab to view your currently connected devices. Identify the device you wish to authorize as a subnet router. Note the device name and its corresponding Tailscale IP address. Now, open the terminal or command line interface on the device you want to configure. Ensure that the Tailscale application is installed and running on this device. Enter the command to start Tailscale with the subnet router flag. This command is typically tailscale up advertise routes equals subnet, where subnet is the range of IP addresses you want to route. For example, if you want to allow access to the subnet 192.168.1.0/24, replace subnet with 192. Once the command is executed, Tailscale will provide you with a confirmation message. Next, return to your Tailscale admin console to approve the advertised routes. You will see a notification indicating that routes have been advertised from the device. Click on the Approve button next to the advertised routes. After approval, the subnet router will be authorized, allowing connections to your server network. Verify connectivity by attempting to access a device on the subnet from another Tailscale connected machine. If successful, your subnet router has been authorized correctly. In case of any issues, check the routing settings and ensure the Tailscale service is running properly on the router device. That concludes the process for authorizing a Tailscale subnet router for server network access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.